They think you're hot like fire, extremely attractive. They're going to become extremely suggestive in regards to you, opening up, expressing their emotions. It may actually surprise you, because this is an individual whereby they don't really talk about their emotions, but they feel comfortable with you. They're going to start feeling comfortable with you. They're going to want to make a move, because in their mind, they feel like if they don't make a move anytime soon, someone else is going to snap you up. So they're going to be on their best behavior, showing you all their tricks. Extremely charming, extremely compassionate. This could have been something that they hid from you for a long time, in fear that you may have felt like they were a softie and you could take advantage of them. So far from the truth. Before they were blocked off at the heart, they may have pushed you away energetically, or told you that they didn't want to involve with you in some type of way, but they cannot keep their eyes off you. They may have seen a picture on social media. They may be looking at you on social media, and you look like a work of art. They see the way you command the room. They see the way many people stare at you, take second glances at you. They see the way you hypnotize people with your beauty, with your body, unintentionally. And they are focused on you. They see you as extremely stunning, extremely powerful. You possess a power that can literally destroy them, crush them. But you choose not to. Curves in all the right places. An absolute goddess. They feel like if they sleep on this opportunity with you, they will miss out on their blessings. They choose to keep their emotions a secret. And when they are sleeping, they dream about you. And they have intimate thoughts about you that they will not share with anyone. They've dreamt about having a family with you, wanting to reach out to you, willing to let go of others who they feel could be a hindrance in regards to coming towards you. They see the Ten of Pentacles with you. You are beauty, you are brains, you are jovial, you are regal, you are everything that they never thought they actually needed. This person feels like you have healed them in some way. You are a spark. You ignited a fire within them that they felt never existed. They see you as extremely enticing, hypnotic, magnetic. It's not just about you being eye candy. It's about your whole vibe, what you represent. You're likable. Your energy is infectious. They can't take their eyes off you. You are the full package. Willing to commit to you, something that they are quite shocked by, because this person could have been an eligible bachelor or bachelorette, but they are slowly morphing into an emperor because of you. Seeing you as a spouse, wanting to lock you down, making sure that no one else gets access to you. They are besotted by you. How come they keep thinking about you is what they think, or talking about you to their friends. Whenever you are around, you uplift their vibe. You are a match. They see you as a leader. We got the King and Queen of Wands here. Willing to invest in you because they see that you are a good investment. You are everything that they could ever dream of. And they feel like if they don't take this opportunity, they may never get this opportunity again. They're actually proud when they see other men or women looking at you, because they're thinking to themselves, I'm with her or I'm with him. They chose me. There's a smugness that they have to know that they got the prize. And you are quite simply magnificent in this person's eyes. And they feel, and they have seen, for some of you, how you can connect to different people from all walks of life. Your beauty is universal. It's not just about the way you look. You carry a very regal and hypnotic and unforgettable energy that just touches the world. And they love the way you work the room. They're not insecure about your beauty. They want you to show off your hotness as well. They will encourage you to wear certain clothes. They will encourage you to go to certain events. They're not fearful that you will abandon them. There's something about you that makes them know that you are loyal, and they are loyal to you also. They're literally willing to change their whole life for you. They're literally willing to get rid of people that they've known longer than you, if it means that they can be with you. If these people are causing you harm in any way, if these people are making you feel uncomfortable, especially if people have told them not to date you, it makes them want you more. And they have, or they are willing to close out cycles with these people that will shock certain individuals. And some people may feel like ever since they met you, you've changed, or they've changed. They don't want to talk to them anymore. What have you done? Have you manipulated this person? What is so special about them? And this person feels like everything's special about you. All they see is you. And, without this person realizing it, they may act like a lovesick puppy whenever they are around you. Their energy shifts for all eyes to see. And they want to introduce you to their family. They want to have a family with you. They're definitely leveling up because of you. They see themselves as your future spouse. They feel like you both can grow and expand in the world. And they want to support you. They may want to open up a business with you. They feel like you can both be a power couple. They're willing to fight for this connection. And they're willing to tell anyone about why their choice in regards to you is the right choice. They sing your praises all the time. Nothing but good words to say about you. Praising all your accomplishments. Your cheerleader. To them, you are the best investment that they have ever made. You or the person of the signs could be Leo, Sagittarius, Libra, Sagittarius, Aries, Capricorn, Virgo, Leo, Aries, Pisces, Aquarius, Scorpio, Leo, Taurus, Pisces or Pisces. Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node or Lilith.